Hey everyone, Andy's here. Right now we'll be uploading a weekly video. I'm going to make a series called Making Fursuit Sunday, which the character I'll be making is Tiny Tiger from Crash Bandicoot. I will be working on a fursuit project on weekends only, so I can work on my animated projects on weekdays before and after work. Just to let you know that this is a learning project for me, so if you want to know how to make your own fursuit, don't follow what I do. I did make masks in the past, now I want to take it to the next level. Enjoy the video! This is the first episode, which is the head molding. This part was originally going to be Toy Bonnie full suit, but I was too burnt out to finish it. So the material I'm using is the upholstery foam with hot glue, which is the most common to make fursuit. The way I hold the part together is using pins and masking tape. I also did use my phone to temporarily hold the material in wait. Now I'm making the dome top. Trim some edges in convex shape, which will make it more rounder instead of angular look. Next is the eye holes. I had to make an outline so I make it able to see. I also used my glasses as a guide, because sometimes I can't see any small details so well without one, so I'm planning to wear it inside the suit. I even make its eyes bigger so the vision will be wider while wearing it. I used a newspaper for the eye template. I will talk about this in the future video, so stay tuned for that. Now, I'm cutting the hole for the eye socket. Just like said in the intro, I had to deal with trial and error. It turns out that Tiny Tiger has a triangular skull, so I had to flatten the edges. Next is the muzzle. As you can see on the top right, I got the reference on the side just to make sure I got the shape and form right. As you can see that I'm starting to smooth the shape a bit. Now I am adding a layer as a muzzle bump. The reason why is that I will be installing a fan just to keep my head cool. My previous masks are not included. I am making a nose, but I will not attach it until I add the fur. I am making a template and then fold it in half just to make sure it's symmetrical. I'm adding a ditch where the air can circulate. I also added fleece just to cover up the foam so I won't inhale the foam dust. Now I'm attaching the muzzle to the head. I'm getting ready to install the fan. The fan was part from an old computer that my dad gave me from his work. I had to add another layer for the muzzle bump so the nose will fit. I also had to make the hole a bit bigger so the fan will fit. Time for the ears. I had to adjust the air circuit because it was too small. Now it's time for mold the back head and cheeks. I may not have filmed myself when I started to work on. I had to adjust the back rim just to make it comfortable to wear it. I added some more foam just to add more shape for the cheeks. Now I had to adjust the dome head again, but this time I mark where to trim. Time to install the fan. Now it's time to shape the head. I had to add another layer for the bottom muzzle. Some people said that the candid fursuit does look like a duck without the fur covering up. Right now, I'm working on the jaw. I'm also planning to make a movable jaw, just like I did in my 4 other masks I made in the past. But this time, I'm gonna make something different and last longer, but it will be in the future video. That's a wrap up for now. Until next week, I'll be working on the body, which is going to be the exaggerated muscle. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.